Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design. Today we're talking about my budget from December, how much did I spend and what did I use, my 2024 budget update, and am I going to continue this in 2025? Spoiler alert, the answer is no. Before we get started, if you're new here and you haven't seen this series of videos, basically in the end of 2023, I decided I was going to put myself on a budget for my craft and planner supplies. Mostly because I was buying all of the sticker books. Way too many sticker books in 2023. My plan was, I put myself on a budget. I had $100 for the year for planner supplies, $100 for craft supplies. How did I do? Let's have a look. Alright, so in December, I did buy some things. I bought some things from Studio Calico, which is $22. I've already done an unboxing of that. You can see that here. And so I'm going to count that as craft stuff because it was craft stuff. And that will be my craft update. I'm just going to tally all of this up for December. That was over my whole budget for the year. Can't even. So I was $96 over budget in craft stuff. I bought one sticker book in December and it is $10. I don't have it yet, otherwise I would show you, but it's $10. And I'm $57 over budget on planner stuff. And that was mostly the Hobby Lobby haul that I did in April, I believe. I think I did okay. It also does not include whatever I bought on my birthday because that is my birthday. And I did get a lot of crafty stuff as gifts as well this year. So that is my update of what I bought. Let's look at what I used in December. All right, so caveat to this, there are 2 days left in December, but I want to get this done so that I don't have to think about doing videos on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. And I wanted to get this to be one of my first videos of the year. So this is where I keep all of the stuff that I've used for the month. I have used 2 pens. I have said before that I love the Pilot G2. What I don't love about them is that when they die, there is the pokey end starts sticking out. The pokey end is all I can call it. It's like a little fine wire. And it drives me just like nails on a chalkboard type thing. And as you know, I bought the Pilot S-Gels in black on a whim. I am loving these. These might be my new favorite pen. So I don't think I'll be buying any more of these. I think instead I will be buying more of these. However, I do need to replace this. This is my Pilot G2 gold pen. I do have the Uniball Signo, but I feel that this is a better match for the gold that is in the Happy Planner books. So I'm going to replace this. I used a roll of washi, and then we have some sticker sheets. I'm going to count these, 12. So these are all the things that I've used this month. And I do keep my clear sticker sheets so that I can put other stickers on them. So I will keep those and the rest will go in the trash. But I just like seeing how much I've used each month. So that is how much I've spent for the year. $157 on planner stuff and $196 on crafty stuff, minus the $200 budget for the year. Let's talk about 2025, shall we? So here are the changes that I'm making in 2025. So first up, there will be no budget. Secondly, I have subscribed to the Stories by the Month kit with Ali Edwards, and that is the physical kit, and I will also buy the monthly digital kit. That's like $20 a month. I use that in my project life, and I like the digital stuff that I can print out for other projects too. The third thing that I'm going to continue to do that I have loved since I started, I think I started this midway through the year, maybe it was like midway through Q2, is I kept the stuff that I'd used each month. Sticker sheets, pens, washi tape rolls, etc., etc. If I use it and it's empty, it goes in this drawer here, and I just keep everything in the drawer until the end of the month, and then I share with you what I've used. It's really helped me see what I'm using and helped me see things leave the room despite the fact that they're still entering. The fourth thing that I'm going to do this year is that rather than set myself a budget, I'm going to just track in a spreadsheet, probably on Google, rather than on pen and paper. It's just easier to keep a running track because I suck at math. But I'm going to keep a track of how much I've spent. And I will just keep that in a spreadsheet, and I will update you with how much I've spent. I think that's just a little bit easier, to be honest, because again, it takes the math out of it for me. And I'm good at spreadsheets. That leads me to number 5. How am I going to challenge myself in 2025 creatively? My plan is somewhat related to 2024 and the things I bought in 2024. And specifically, all the Cricut things that I bought in 2024. I have almost all of the Cricut blades now for my Cricut. So my plan is, in 2025, I will have a focus each month. Now that could be a focus technique, a focus tool, a focus type, a focus material. If you have a Cricut and you are in for this monthly challenge, let me know down below. We can do this together. My plan is January will be sticker paper. I'm just going to keep it simple for January because I need to clear up some of this December daily stuff. We're going to keep it simple. Sticker paper. So if you are in for this Cricut challenge, I want you to let me know in the comments down below. So that's my update. I'm not going to have a budget in 2025. I am going to update you with how much I've spent. I am definitely going to update you with what I've used because I found that more motivational. I got to be honest, once I started doing that, that was way more motivational to condense my stuff, especially my sticker sheets and stuff like that. But I'm not going to have a budget. This is what I do for fun, and having a budget sucked the fun out of it. Gotta be honest. So we'll be shifting our challenge priorities to different crafty stuff and cricketing. It's a new word, cricketing. I'm making cricketing a verb. So that will be my challenge each month. What can I make with my Cricut each month that takes me outside of my comfort zone? Also, what I'd like is less stuff and more tools. I think that is something to consider for 2025. Now, I will be doing more memory keeping projects in 2025 too, so there's that to consider as well. I want you to let me know in the comments down below how you did if you kept a budget in 2024, or are you doing a budget in 2025? And also, again, let me know if you're in for the Cricut challenge down below. Sticker paper in January. I will update on the community page as well the projects that I've done and in my email list and on Patreon. And I'll probably do a video at the end of the month. Wish me luck. All right, bye.